What's going on, guys? Trey May 10 back again with another mystery pack unboxing. We've got 2 more mystery packs today. Should be exciting. Hopefully a lot of season 2s, not so many season 1s. I've got all those that I want. And today I'm wearing my Good Fortune, which is probably one of my all-time favorite Zocs with my little lucky kitties on there. And with this order, I had also ordered We the People and got number 3157. And it says, Land of the Free, Home of the Brave. And it's got this awesome American flag with part of the, like, it looks like Constitution on there. And then on the inside, We the People. And that awesome calligraphy and a little American flag. But without further ado, we'll jump into this mystery pack. Number 1. And we got one of the season 1 straps, Apollo. Turn your face towards the sun and the shadows will fall behind you. We got number 1002. And then on here, it looks like we have Apollo and his chariot pulling the sun. I'm not that familiar with Greek mythology, so that might be a thing he did, was, bring the sun up every day or something like that. That'd be cool. On to the next one. And we got another season 1, I Prefer a Kiss, Miss. And it says, Keep Your Promises. That's number 131. And it looks like we have a frog prince on here, sitting on a lily pad in a pond with a little koi fish. And then on the inside, pretty much the same minus the frog. And it says, I prefer a kiss, miss. Number 3. And it looks like we got Paradise Lost, number 456. And it says it's time to step up and protect our planet's future. And on here, we have a pretty interesting, I'm not even sure what's going on. Looks like a Renaissance time painting, and then we have this interesting, I don't know, I guess I want to call that a shrine. And then on the inside, it kind of looks like what's on that card there. And it says Paradise Lost. A lot of stuff going on there. Yeah, it looks mostly Renaissance-y style painting. Sweet. Number 3. Or 4, sorry, number 4. And we got Wisdom is Earned, number 1152. And it says, only with time and experience comes the ability to anticipate consequence. And on here we have Merlin. I know this one's from the Camelot series. I really like the tri-swirl, I guess I'll call it. And on the inside it's pretty much the same, with wisdom is earned. Number 5. And we got love one another. The New Commandment, number 3842. I actually have this one. It's got this kind of diamond woven pattern all along it with some sparkles. And then the same on the inside, but purple, with love one another. Alright. And then our last one, hopefully it's a season 2. What do you know? It is. We got Blackbeard. This one's part of the 7 Seas, number 387. Lip fuses beneath my cap, a beard black as night, sailors ran scared when my ship was in night. Or, when my ship was in sight. Sorry. And then on here we got Blackbeard, captain in the ship, with the pirate flag on there. And then on the inside, what looks to be kind of like an old-time map with Blackbeard. Alright. Well, at least we got one season 2. I ordered these the day they said that they were getting put into the mystery packs, but kind of disappointed to see a lot of season 3 season 1 straps and 2 that are in stock. Maybe we'll get a more exciting one next time. Thanks for watching, guys.